There was a time not that long ago when walking around all day with little earbuds in, both for music and for voice use over your phone, was something that you didn't really think everybody was going to do. Microsoft's new Surface earbuds are bigger, and it's a giant white circle that goes in both of your ears right here, and they're not even trying to hide them. They're just out and ready for you to use. Now, one of the things about this big Surface here is you can do a lot of touch and gesture commands from it. If you're using especially an Android phone, they are going to work a lot better. You can apparently launch and do some shuffling around with Spotify just by tapping and swiping, and I saw some very interesting footage of people controlling PowerPoint presentations just by going like this. So if you're tired of standing up there and holding the little controller and switching to the next slide, maybe it'll look cooler if you're tapping or swiping on your ear. And of course they have a lot of cool modern earbud features. They can do voice to text, they can help with translation software. They've got 2 microphones on each side, which helps with noise canceling, so you can be heard even though the microphones are way back up here, and as you're normally talking, you're talking this way. That is a hallmark of a good phone earbud. I just did a little bit of listening via Bluetooth with the Surface behind me. They got pretty loud, not super bassy, but definitely fuller than Apple's AirPods, which are very open ear style earbuds. They've got a little rubber thing on the inside, and you put them in and you twist them. You have to get this kind of twist-to-lock fit in your ear, but once you do, they feel pretty comfortable. I've got very narrow sensitive ear canals, and I think these are okay. Come back to me in 6 hours and I'll tell you if it's an all-day wear, but so far not offensive. Now, of course, besides the features, besides the audio quality and all the tech things it can do, you really got to think about what you're looking for in terms of aesthetics, because frankly, what you wear in your ears is a pretty important part of how people see you. Apple's AirPods are smaller. People still make fun of people for wearing them. These are much bigger and bolder. It's a giant white satellite dish in your ear. So we're going to have to wait and see if that becomes acceptable street fashion. So these guys, they're big, they're noticeable, they're very touch-friendly. They should be out later in 2019, and they're going to cost $249.